Suppose for a moment that you're trying to graph a particularly nasty linear equation. The TI-84 can help you out with this a lot. Turn the calculator on and press the y equals button in the upper left. Now enter the equation as shown. You have two options. Enter it straight away, 13/9 x plus 6/17. Or you can enter it using the fraction template. Press alpha, y equals, and then the number 1. 13/9 times x plus, again, alpha, y equals, the number 1, 6/17. While both of these equations will graph the same line, they will appear differently in the table. Press graph to have a look. Well, this gives us an idea about what the graph looks like. It doesn't really help us plot the points. That's where the table feature comes in handy. Press second graph to pull up the table. Here, y1, we've got all of the points in decimal form. And here, y2, we've got all of the points in fraction form. We can scroll up into the negative numbers, or scroll down into the positive numbers. But let's say you wanted to know a specific value. Press second window to bring up table set. The first option is table start. The second option is table delta. That's how much you're going to count by as you scroll through the table. The third option here, under independent, where it says auto, you can switch to ask and then press enter. Now go back to the table. It's blank, but any value you enter, for x, the calculator will return the corresponding y. Enter 9, get back the value of y at 9. Enter 17, get back the value of y at 17. Enter negative 102, get back the value of y when x is negative 102. Suppose you wanted to count by 17ths while looking at your table. Press second window to open table set. Leave table start at 0 and tell the calculator to count by 1/17. Press enter, switch independent back to auto, and then press second graph to pull up the table. Now each increment in the x-axis is 1/17, and it's easy to switch back. Second, table set the table start wherever you want, let's say 100 this time, and then switch table delta back to 1. Press enter, second graph back to the table. Now the table starts at 100 and has gone back to counting by 1. Use whatever combination of table start and table delta you need to find the points you want. The default settings are table start 0, table delta 1, and independent auto. So if you lose track of what you're doing, reset and try again.